Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Let's make clever logo. So now let's start. So first of all, I take this. Uh, I choose the font, All White Gothic Demi, and I show you. You can download it from Chrome, and this one I select. Now go to this horizontal line center, vertical line center, and then go to create outline, then ungroup. Now take this. Uh, Increase distance, uh, maintain distance between the letters and the icon. So now I take this basic shapes tool, star tool, and created this. So simply drag it with mouse shift plus alter, and now you can choose according to your whatever you call it, according to your. Okay, now again copy it with alter and rotate it, and now horizontal align left. Now go to this rectangle tool. Now create this. Okay, okay, again align it and go to pathfinder and unite it. Align it and go to pathfinder and again unite it. Now guys, this is our sorry, this is our logo making process. So now we are going to maintain the gap between the arrow, and now it's, I think, okay. Now this is something that I love, but if you want something very enable, then you can choose it. I think, okay guys, increase the rectangle size, and now unite it. Go to align menu and horizontal align center, and again make, now done. Align it and unite it. Now this is our logo. I hope you guys like the video. Do share and subscribe, and check my Behance and community also, and check my Instagram, Facebook, Behance. Okay, subscribe me if you like my videos, and like, share with your friends, and stay updated for more entertaining videos, exciting videos. So kindly press the bell icon to receive notifications to you, and align it with this. Choose the color, which is actually uh, it's a magenta color. Okay, and It's say if you want my like my logo designing videos, then do drop a comment on my YouTube channel and share your opinions with me that how you like my videos. And if you want typography, I will give a tutorial. I will give more tutorials on it. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.